Hey Madness fam. So today my fiance is with me cooking. We're gonna make sweet and sour chicken for the first time. So I'm using that. You need cornstarch. This is the one I'm using. Vegetable oil. Clean, and there's a little water left on the bottom of the bowl, so we mix with the cornstarch. That's very important, so leave a little bit of water. I'm gonna season the chicken. Okay, so you're gonna want like a sticky kind of consistency. See, like that is perfect. So now, while I wash my hands, babe, fiance, is gonna get the oil ready to be heated, the sauce in the pot, and then I'm gonna get the rice started. ate it.
Tastes good.
It's gone. I forgot to record. Oh my god. Get more chicken, babe. It's so good. I forgot to record it. I forgot to record. But look at the glaze. So good. Still cooking more chicken for the kids. Oh my god. Well, I like it. 10 out of 10. Recommend it. I'm saying that I like it. That is 10 out of 10. And you could drizzle more sauce if you want more sauce on yours.
Oh, so 10 out of 10?
Yeah, I like it.
I gave it a 9.5.
Because it needs more sauce?
It tastes good.
I like it. You like it? You eat it again? Yeah. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave a squirrel and a heart, because that's our thing.